I want you to pay attention. Now listen here boys. The first thing, the more I solve, the less practice you get. Okay, so you need to solve, make mistakes, think where you are making mistake. If you are making a mistake, make a note of it. Okay, I'm going to explain the question. Part B. If the distance between the vehicle is initially only 30 meter, so now here the distance is given. In the previous question, what was the question? It was asking you for distance. It was telling you the vehicle is coming to stop. Let's read the question. The driver of a 1000 kg car traveling on the highway at 35 meter per second slams on his brakes to avoid hitting a second vehicle in front of him, which had come to rest because of some congestion. After the brakes are applied, a constant friction force of 8000 Newton acts on the car. Then in the first part, at what minimum distance should the brakes be applied so that he can avoid collision? Okay, that means he should stop before he reaches the other vehicle. If he is stopping, the final velocity we took as 0, his initial velocity was 35, we completed, we got the distance at which he should start applying the brakes. You understand what I am saying? When you see a vehicle coming from front, at some distance away from the vehicle, you must start applying the brakes so that your car can stop before collision. Are you clear with this? Okay, that we completed. First part. Second part, here the distance is already given. That means he has no other choice. Now the distance is 30 meter. If the distance between the vehicle is only 30 meter, so he has no choice of distance. He has to apply brakes at 30 meter. At what speed would the collision occur? At what speed would the collision occur? That means it will not stop. It is going to collide. Do you understand? Yeah. So you have to find out the final speed of collision. When he collides, what was his final speed? So if you look at the data, delta x is 30 meter, vi is 35 meter per second, vf we want to find out. We again rewrite the same equation which I used before. W net equal to KEF minus KEI. W net, the formula is F delta x. I substitute the values. 8000 multiply 30. I place a negative sign. Why? Friction. Because 8000 is force of friction, equal to half mvs square minus half mvi square. Vf square is unknown, m is 1000, vi is 35. After this step, everything else is calculation. Okay, so physics ends here. After that, you are doing calculation. Final answer will be 27.3 meter per second. Okay, any questions there? Now I could see that only